Welcome to Handlooking Hardware, DIY tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to maintain a front door cylinder lock such as this one, with just a couple of household items. After a while, you might find that your key tends to stick in the lock and it's hard to turn. This tip should help you to avoid costly locksmith's charges. This method can also be used for UPVC front door locks. All you need is a pencil and a sharp knife. Now you can buy a pot of graphite from your local locksmiths, but this is a far cheaper way to do it. Simply scrape the graphite from the pencil onto a piece of folded paper until you've got a nice pile of the pencil lead, which we're going to use to lubricate your key. All we do is sprinkle the graphite carefully onto your key, and this will create the lubrication that we need when we next put it into the lock. Then we take our key with the graphite on, put it into the lock, push it in and out a few times, and there we go. Nicely lubricated and maintained our lock. And that should be good for another year or so.